Hello and welcome back to Pray, Plan, Repeat. I am Shaneill. Thank you so much for coming by. So I know you guys haven't heard from me in quite a long minute. I know, but I'm back and I'm going to get back on my game. Alright. So, by the way, thank you to all the new subscribers that have came to join the fam bam here. So let's get right into this plan with me. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and consider subscribing. I am getting back on my game. I am, I promise. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and plan for this week. Alright you guys, so I pulled out my sheets. I'm going to be playing music in here, so I'm just going to talk to you guys right now. I'm going to be doing a layout that's going to work for me for this week because I am starting a challenge today. And it's a 30-day challenge where I'm going to be doing exercises and I'm going to mark it down every single day. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. I think I'll be using my whiteout tape here. I also did pull out some purple washi and I did pull out some colorful striped washi as well. I am pulling out the fitness sticker book here. I'm also using the Supermom sticker book. And I pulled out the Squad Goals sticker book. So let's get started. Alright you guys, so this is my spread. This is how it came out. I love it. It's spring, and this is actually my first spring spread for you guys because like I said, I have not filmed in so long. And I love the way how it came out. It's so gorgeous. So yeah, I am doing a 30-day challenge, and I'm actually starting the day before. So when you guys are seeing this, I actually started yesterday, which is Sunday the 19th. But on here, it's going to be marked as Monday the 20th because I'm actually starting the after 10 o'clock at night. So I'm counting that as Monday. So I am starting my 30-day challenge here. This will be day 1, and I hope I can do that. So on here, I will be tracking and marking down if I actually do my exercises. So I'm gonna mark it down as I do. Then over here in this sticker book, I can take out whether I walked, I did cardio, or let me show you guys really fast. Here we go. They have all these little stickers in here where it says it's a rest day, gym, walk, run, yoga, lift. It has all these stickers in here, and I actually want to be able to utilize this page. So yeah. Oh, and then over here it has like cardio, arms, legs, and abs, and then it says cool down. So I'm going to be using that on here as well. I'll show you guys like finished spread. That's what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to start showing you guys a finished spread after I have completed it. In the next video, you'll see this spread finished, hopefully, and right before I start the new spread. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. So like I said, I'll be tracking my water, and I'm also did I say water? Okay, I need to find me a water sticker. Let me do that, otherwise I will forget. Let's find a water bottle. Oh, there we go, found one. Alright, so I will be tracking my water. As you can see, I have a water bottle. I will also be tracking when I actually do my fitness and my exercises every day. I did put down a little scale because I will be putting in my start weight here. I have in mind what my goal weight is. I should probably put that down as well, but I have not done that yet. So yeah, I'm going to do it week by week, and I'm going to add probably a new sticker every other week on what my new weight is. But anyways, this is my spread. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it matches really, really well. It's very, very pretty. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed it, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this little spread here. And once again, if you are new, please go ahead and subscribe. I am back on my game, so you guys will be seeing more videos of me and my planner, and me showing you the finished plans out on this planner. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye.